Welcome to the Top 5 Teams Apps for Leaders series. Recognize a teammate's leadership, inclusivity, creativity, general awesomeness, or just a quick thank you using the Praise app. The Microsoft Praise app is a messaging app you can add to any message you send in chat, Teams, or meetings. Let's take a look at how you can use the Praise app to recognize your teammates. To add praise to a chat, navigate to the chat and click on the ellipses just below the new message field and search for the Praise app. Click to open and click the Add button. When the app loads, select the badge or the type of praise that you'd like to send. The To field will automatically default to the chat recipient unless there are multiple people within the chat thread. Add a personal note, then click Send. You'll see the praise added directly in the chat. In a team, navigate to the channel and either click the Reply To button or the New Conversation button, and again, find the ellipses. Locate the Praise app and select the badge. Here, you'll need to choose a recipient, add the note, and click Send. The badge will automatically post to the page. You can also add praise to a meeting chat as well. Within the meeting, click on the chat bubble, find the messaging field and click the ellipses just below it, and then select messaging extensions. Click the Praise app, and again, choose the type of badge, enter in a message, and if appropriate, select the recipient, then click Send. All participants can see the praise badges you send here. The Teams Praise app is a great way to show your teammates some specific individual recognition for the infinite ways they contribute to your team. Have questions? Check out the Microsoft support page for more resources and videos.